Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you top 3 websites to find viral content. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So welcome back to this video. If you go to this particular website right here, trendly.com, so when you get to this site, this site here, discover rising trends you have not heard of before. Okay, now you can simply scroll down and see how best you navigate on the site. This is good for SEO and for e-commerce also. Then you can simply scroll down and understand how this is work. Now, for you to understand this, these are all statistics of how a trending is work. If you have any trending topic you want to confirm and you have a very growth statistic like this simply means that the topic is very much trending. And also the same thing implies here, most especially if you are looking for US targeted audience, it's advisable to make use of this particular website. So when you get to the site, create a free account and start explore some of the tools here that you can simply use to find trending and useful topic to create a nice to create your next content. It's as simple as that. So this is the third one I have for you. Let's take a look at the second one I have for you. So the second one I have for you here, if you go to viralfindout.com, it take you to this particular website. So if you are a content creator for social media platform like Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, this website is a go for you. What you need to do is to simply create a free account, click on register a free account, then sign up with your Gmail or Yahoo account or what have you. Now, when you get to the site, then you can easily access FindViral is available as application that can be accessed using web browser from anywhere. You can also HQ download of whatever research you come up, and if you are satisfied with their free version, you can simply go for the premium package, which is also affordable. You can scroll down and read more stuff about this particular website. Now, under their free version, you have 3 search, and you have 3 analytics, you have 10 downloads, you have search users, you have no favorite right here, and you have live chat support and email support as far as free version is concerned. So if you are comfortable with their free version, then you can upgrade to premium package as the case may be. Let's take a look at the first one I have for you as far as top 3 websites to find viral content is concerned. So the first one I have for you here is sparktoro.com. So this particular website here is simply is basically on a better ROI from content, SEO, social media PR, and performance marketing. So if you are a social media marketer or you're a digital marketer or you are selling stuff online, this website is very good for you. It allows you to know your targeted audience, and it allows you to know product that is trending at the time you are doing your research. And when you get to the site, you can simply click on sign up for free, and then there is no need of credit card or what have you to create a free account on this site. If you are satisfied with their free version, you can simply upgrade to their premium package. Now, how the site works, you can search by keyword right here. It is a B2B marketplace or what have you said. So you can search by keyword right here, and then you see similar results, something like this. And you have visit this website, search for this keyword. This is how the analytics is going to look like when you try to explore the site and see what customers are saying about the site. You can scroll down and read more detail about this particular website. And what you will get when you sign up with the site, highly available website and source to influence for your audience, keywords your audience search for in Google and Bing. So this is what you are getting. And also social networks, your audience use more or less than average, and the demographic, age, gender, jokes and job titles, key and more. Then also YouTube channel, postcard and subcredit, your audience always follow. This is the great deal to target your audience, most especially if you are selling schools on internet or you are a social media influencer. So basically, this is the top 3 websites that you can use to find viral content right now. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember, click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about free stuff like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.